What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. So I'm joining you about 11 months after I planted these Little Lime Hydrangeas. They came in a 4.5-inch quart pot from Amazon, and I thought I'd give you a quick update on how they're doing. As you can see, there's one of them right here. There are 3 others that I'll give you a shot at after I'm done talking, but they're doing really well. I planted these in October of 2022, and it's late August of 2023. They were about, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 inches when we planted them, and gosh, a couple feet now, and as you can see, they're blooming. So these are the first plants I've ever ordered off of Amazon, but so far so good. Let me give you a shot of the other 3. All right, so here's the one that I was just kneeling next to. There's the other one right in back of it, and we've got another couple right here. As you can see, they're all really healthy, all doing really well. This is the other one that's blooming. This one should pretty soon, and you can see some of the blooming starting on this one. So if you had any doubts about ordering plants from Amazon, don't be shy to do it. These have turned out really well, especially when you can't find the plants that you want around you. Just check out the video that is available in the link right now on your screen to check out the unboxing that I went through when I first got these.